Yoey and the Special Running Race. One day, in the lush green forest, the golden sunlight shone through the towering trees. The gentle breeze carried the fragrance of wildflowers, creating a fresh and pleasant atmosphere. Today was a special day because all the animals in the forest were excitedly preparing for the biggest race of the year. The animals gathered around the open clearing, the place where the race would take place. In the lively crowd, there was a swift and confident kangaroo. That was Yoey. He had strong legs and an incredible jumping ability, famous for being the fastest in the forest. Meanwhile, a small turtle named Toti was also participating in the race. Unlike Yoey, Toti had short legs and moved very slowly, but his eyes shone with perseverance and determination. Yoey hopped around Toti, laughed, and said loudly, "Oh, Toti, are you joining this race too? Do you know that I am 100 times faster than you?" Toti was not angry. He just smiled kindly and replied in a slow voice, "That's right, Yoey. I know you are very fast, but this race is not just about speed. I will try my best." The animals in the forest clapped and cheered, eagerly waiting for the race to begin. The magpie, the referee of the race, flew up high and chirped loudly, "Contestants, are you ready? The race is about to start." The whistle blew, beep, and immediately, Yoey dashed forward like the wind. In just a blink of an eye, he had left Toti far behind. Toti still moved slowly, lifting each step carefully. Although he was not fast, he never stopped. After running a long distance, Yoey turned around and looked back. He saw that Toti was still far behind. He laughed and thought to himself, "I'm already too far ahead. I will definitely win. There's no need to hurry." Seeing a colorful butterfly flying past, Yoey got excited and jumped up to chase it. He happily swung his arms, trying to catch the butterfly, completely forgetting that he was in a race. When he got bored of chasing the butterfly, Yoey continued walking forward. Along the way, he saw a bright patch of forest flowers. The scent of the flowers delighted him, and he stopped to pick a few of the most beautiful ones to show his friends after the race. After that, Yoey felt a bit hungry. Looking around, he spotted a wild strawberry tree full of ripe fruit. Unable to resist, he jumped up, picked a handful of fruit, and sat down to enjoy them deliciously. While savoring the sweetness of the berries, suddenly Yoey heard cheering from the finish line. He was startled and looked up, and to his shock, he saw Toti slowly but steadily approaching the finish line. Yoey panicked, quickly jumped up, and used all his strength to leap forward as fast as possible. But it was too late. Just as he was about to reach the finish line, Toti had already touched it. The entire forest erupted in cheers. The animals gathered around Toti, congratulating him for his perseverance and determination. Yoey bowed his head in embarrassment, but Toti still smiled kindly and said, "Yoey, speed is not everything. What matters is perseverance and not giving up. If we don't waste time and stay focused on our goal, we will surely achieve success." Yoey nodded, realizing a valuable lesson from this race. From then on, he was no longer careless or lazy. He understood that success does not come from ability alone, but also requires perseverance and continuous effort. And so the story of Yoey and Toti became a memorable lesson for all the animals in the forest, helping everyone understand that patience and daily effort are the keys to success.